So let's continue with our next country session, the Korea Pavilion. Organized by the Korea Trade Investment Promotion Agency, today's showcase features 6 representative Korean organizations. To get us started, please welcome the Goyang Industry Promotion Agency. Let's welcome Goyang Industry Promotion Agency.
Hello, everybody. It's really nice meeting you. My name is RM Chui. I'm a commissioner of the Goyang Investment Authority. This is Korea Pavilion, but it's this time for this event. We just brought a couple of the Goyang. We are one of the special cities in South Korea. So I want to introduce like why we are here, and then how the Korean government agencies try to help startups and build the ecosystem, startup ecosystems. So I will give a little bit of the background of our city. Our city is with the population of 1.08 million. That's why it makes us as a special city. So we have a couple of special cities in South Korea. So we are located right next to Seoul. So also airports, we have 15 minutes away from Gimpo Airport and 30 minutes away from Incheon Airport. So we have a great location. And we actually focus on K content as one of our major industries that we try to accelerate and invest in. So we have a K-pop arena building at this moment. We have an exhibition center, actually larger than this exhibition center. So once it's completed, it will be number 20th in the world in the scale. So we have very much of the exhibition as one of our strategy. And we have IP convergence content cluster. So we focus on IP, so Korea content. We used to make a lot of movies or webtoons, those kind of things, but we haven't focused on original IP. So now we are trying to get the original IP, and we have this kind of exhibition center displaying IP all over the year. So we try to give out some of the international IPs. We try to bring them, and we give out a lot of R&D support for that. And also, this is one of our special studios, production studios that we have. We operate actually, and there is a lot of movies, say Parasite, were shoot here. So we support like R&D cash back for the expenses that if they utilize our special studio. And also we invest directly into the startups as an organization agency. So in Korea, we have a lot of funds coming from central government and the local government. So funds for the startups usually comes up to say 50 to 60% from a government level. So we have a fund support, we have R&D support, we have infrastructure, and the POC. So in Korea, we have like NVIDIA here, but in Korea we have many Samsung or other corporates. But we also have as a local government, we try a lot of try to provide a lot of support, and that. And so these are some of the funds we have created. So we have all different type of Goyang startups we invested in. Parable Entertainment, they are MCN company. They have a lot of creators and they are have managing. So they are pre-IPO stage. Also, we have a lot of hospital-related startups. And we also have AI game, and we have food tech. We have fan-based IP or fan-based webtoon or fan-based tech, those kind of startups too. So why government agencies trying to support, because for the early stage startups, it's pretty hard to get investment or R&D support, right? So as a city, we risk mitigation. We provide risk mitigation and credibility enhancement for the early startups. So we directly invest in the early startups, and then we put in as an LP for the later stage fund, so they can have a direct support at the beginning, and then later we put our effort for them to get the greater fund later stage. So we are local government agency, but we do the direct GP and LP. Yeah, and also we have events, and we have a co-working spaces, and we run a lot of acceleration programs too. So now we have 4 Goyang startups with us. So they are early stage, but so if you later you get their presentation, and if you have any questions, directly contact them, or you can ask us as well. So thank you for listening.
Thank you. Thank you for your introduction. Next, please welcome Millennial Works to the stage.
Hello. 那大家好，那我是 Millennial Works 的这个台湾区的经理。那今天代表我们的韩国代表来进行这个发表。好，那我们公司的这个品牌理念就是 Beyond the Screen into your Story， 让我们的这个观众不只是在透过荧幕而已，而是去走入到现实，然后去跟这个 IP 角色去做互动。那是我们公司的一个现况，对。那我们是从2021年开始成立的，然后在首尔这样子，对。然后我们旗下的品牌呢，有这个 AI 的这个主题乐园 Space V， 跟 AI Kiosk Anymoment， 还有 AI 虚拟人 AI 这个 AI Avatar， 对。那我们也是在去年呢陆续收到这个韩国娱乐的这个产业 SM 的这个投资，还有这个 CNT 这个 Nally 这个投资这样子，对。那我们也在2024年分别在日本跟台湾就是成立这个分公司的据点，对。那右边的话是我们都得过一些奖项记录这样子。好，那我们公司的起初的起源呢是跟这个时尚的这个品牌香奈儿去合作，然后透过我们 AI 技术帮我们打造这个品牌的这个线下的这个快闪店的这个一个风格这样子，对。然后再来就是我们从这个品牌，然后走入到这个 IP 的市场当中。好，那我们会去选择 IP 市场，是因为我们就是发现说 IP 市场其实的这个潜藏的商机非常的巨大。那预估在2030年的时候呢，会到达这个8000多亿的这个美元，所以我们选择 IP 市场去做这个发展。好，因为我们发现 IP 市场其实有这个传统的 IP 市场有一些痛点嘛。那第一个是通常就是比较庞大的这个国际 IP， 他们需要这个成本是非常的高昂的。那同时也是现在的这个年轻人，他们不喜欢就是只是静态观赏而已，他们比较喜欢就是这个互动式的体验，然后可以呈现到这个 IP 的故事当中。所以我们根据这样的痛点呢，我们就是有这样子的解决的方案。那第一个是我们透过我们的 AI 技术去达到虚实整合，然后透过这样技术达到这个高收益。然后也是我们这样子的这个 AI 技术开发也是非常的成本也是相对比较这个低廉，对。然后我们开发一次之后呢，我们可以重复去复制这个模组的模式，然后去到各个国家就马上可以做应用。所以我们只要开发一次，都可以去在各个全球的各点去做这样子的这个应用。好，那这是我们过去的一些案例。那这个是这个一个知名的网漫叫我独自升级。那我们在韩国办快闪店的时候呢，我们就利用这个14天的时间，然后创造比过去的这个收入还要增加这个70% 这样的收入的这样价值。对，那么透过我们的 AI 的这个照片生成啊，跟游戏互动，还有这个小卡，然后就是我们有这个门票跟这个相对服务的这样子这个收入，所以可以大大的去提升我们这样的收入内容。好。那这个是我们在去年有拿到这个暴雪这个合作的版权， 然后这是这个斗阵特工 Overwatch 这个游戏的快闪店，对，那我们也是用9天的时间，然后去创造的这个比过去还要增加60%的营收。好，那这是我们现场这个照片。好，那比起这个传统这个只是静态观赏这个快闪店呢，我们更加都是把 AI 技术跟这个现场的体验带入到这个传统的这个活动线下活动当中。那我们在Overwatch 的快闪店当中呢，就是有中间是这个玩家体验区，让玩家可以抢先去体验这个游戏的新角色啊，或者是新的这个这个套装等等的。对，那周围就是由我们的 AI 的这个互动机台去构成这样的这个很丰富的 AI 的主题乐园，让顾客可以去有这样子这个深层体验。好，那这是我们就是一个示意图。好，那我们的营收来源呢是有70%是来自门票，那30%是来自这个互动机台的收入。好，那我们其实这个活动营运的话呢，其实到从开始去发起，就是去策划，然后到执行，其实中间呢大概只需要1个月时间而已，所以我们可以快速的去从这个拿到这个计划之后呢，我们可以快速的去把我们的想象的这样子这个计划案，可以快速的落实到现实当中，那可以快速的去把我们的需要的活动跟这个品牌的宣传的效果，可以快速的去实现出来。那我们未来也是会从不只是游戏跟 IP， 我们也是扩展到这个体育赛事，因为其实体育活动是我们这个全球都热衷的这个活动嘛，也是这部分年龄层的，所以我们未来预计会在美国，然后跟欧洲各国家以及日本跟韩国的这个知名的这样子的这个运动的这个赛事联盟会去做这样合作的这样子的企划。好，那是我们目前的企划案。那我们可以就是透过这个照片生成，然后去制作各种这个相关的周边，然后可以去让我们可以马上变换成就是这个实际在运动时候的这个帅气的这样子个英姿，然后把它做成照片小卡这样子，然后也可以就是去选择说就是这个配对，然后我们可以去喜欢的球员的角色可以做这样子的互动的方式。那我们的这个市场呢，其实是很多元化的，从这个音乐啊到运动，还有这个动漫跟这个影视剧等等的，还有时尚品牌，都是我们的合作这个对象之一。好的，那就是我们的品牌的这个叫 Space B 这样子。好，那是我们过去合作过这个相关的这个客户，对，有这个娱乐游戏啊、网漫等等的，还要到这个时尚品牌。然后这个车厂的这个奥迪啊，跟这个 BMW 等等的，对。那在科技业也有跟我们的合作，跟银行等等，这是我们的合作的对象之一。好，那我们也是预计在我们的这个3年内呢，会达到就是这样子这个营收这样的成长，对。好，那么未来3年的计划呢，就是我们在2018年会持续在我们的这个 AI 土地乐园的这样子的发展当中。那以上就是我们的Millennial Works 的发表，谢谢大家。
好的，谢谢 Millennial Works. Thank you, Millennial Works. Next up, we have BEWAVE. Please come to the stage. BEWAVE.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Ji-Hyun Lee from BEWAVE, a Korean AI health company. Thank you for joining us today. Depression is global crisis, and it is hitting hardest in people aging 20 to 40 aged, the core of our society's workforce. Current tools are not enough early detection. BEWAVE replaces subject questionnaires with biosignals, EEG and PPG, to deliver an accurate result. EEG mean is brainwave, PPG mean is heartbeat, like pulse. Our product line is called MANGROVE, also known as MindWave, but with same MANGROVE. MANGROVE MANGROVE Mini and Basic. It is already commercialized. MANGROVE Gear and Pro is currently in development and regulatory approval. In Korea, we have already developed a market. 80 plus paying B2B institutes and 10,000 plus users and 50,000 plus total measurement. In pilot across, we have already developed market. In pilots across 25 interests in Korea, we directed 30% to high risk. Other mini illustrator suspicion with 30% or above. Now, let me take our company introduce video.
Take care of your mental
Can I check
health with
sound?
MindWave Basic. We measure brain waves and pulse waves and use AI to evaluate, classify, and diagnose. This provides scores that give clear insight into your condition. We classify your unique mental health type into 6 categories each for brain health and mind health, providing personalized lifestyle tips and care options for each type so you can manage your health on your own. MindWave Basic was developed by a world-class EEG expert who is currently a professor at a university hospital. Receive your report quickly and easily via Kakao Talk, SMS, email, or any method you prefer. In an era where AI reads minds, now manage your mental health the smart way.
Okay, that concludes our project. Thank you very for your attention.
Thank you, BEWAVE. We are now pleased to welcome MANGROVE. Please take it away.
Hello everyone, my name is Yong-Soo Shin, the founder of the MANGROVE. Today happy to introduce our company. We bring the beautiful underwater world to people using XR contents. We have 3 points. First, we produce real underwater XR contents. We already have 108K HDR contents. Second, we make our own special XR underwater camera equipment. Third, we have a professional team and technology patents. Yeah, let's look at our business. We produce high-quality XR, VR, panorama format underwater contents, and we have a mobile XR aquarium bus. Yeah. Can you check the sound? Yeah. Our XR contents is used in many places, like this screen. Yeah, fine restaurants and TV galleries use our contents. Our mobile XR aquarium bus goes to people in small towns. We provide XR safety education and hands-on energy programs. Yeah. These videos are now playing on LG TV for global gallery service. Bring our contents to your store, exhibition, department store, and release space. Yeah. Thank you for listening. 감사합니다.
Thank you, Mangrove. Our next presentation comes from LD Electronics. Welcome to the stage.
Great to meet you. Let me introduce my company. Start. We specialized in display, PCB assembly, automotive, inspection, test, manufacturing system. We development and manufacturing of performance testing equipment for automotive, notebook, monitor, display, PCB assembly, semiconductor, and related testing equipment. First, display pattern generator and aging tester. 2. PCB assembly, automotive sensor, in-circuit tester, open short tester. 3. IC and PCB assembly firmware downloader. 4. PCB assembly sensor, end-of-line test, functional test, auto tester. 5. Development support tailored to customized items that meet customer product and specialized requirement. First, television display, pattern generator and display inspection. We support to inline and offline tester. This is a pattern generator. This is a display aging system. This is LED array lighting, assembly and test inline system. LED lighting array and light assembly and tester. Three PCB assembly and semiconductor inspection equipment. PCB assembly semiconductor firmware download for vehicle system, OTA module, test system. For automotive parts assembly and tester, inline and offline tester. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, LD Electronics. We're now here from our final presenter from the Korea Pavilion Revision. Please welcome the team to the stage.
Well, hello everyone. My name is Belita, representing rheavision today. I'm excited to walk you through how rheavision is shaping the future of digital accessibility. At rheavision, founded in 2023, our core mission is bridging the digital gap. We are an edutech leader dedicated to creating both software and hardware solutions. Our goal is simple yet impactful: to empower the digital marginalized, particularly senior and people with disabilities, through compassionate high-tech education. While we are still a young company, our growth has been remarkable, doubling our revenue year over year. With the silver economy rapidly expanding not just in Korea, but globally, our market potential is scaling continuously. In fact, we've already established ourselves as a top-tier player, ranking first or second in South Korea, senior digital education market. Our primary success driver is our strong footprint in the public sector. We supply educational kiosks to welfare centers and community hubs, commanding an incredible 90% market share of all digital literacy equipment in these spaces. Now, our first flagship innovation is Kio Edu, which stands out for kiosk education. It's an interactive simulation platform designed to mirror real-world digital environment like fast food ordering or mobile banking, helping users navigate modern digital life independently. Kio Edu is absolute gold standard in Korean senior education market today. Next, I'm proud to introduce our latest innovation, the RV2000. This cutting-edge system combines AI facial recognition with contactless wellness monitoring into a single seamless solution. The inspiration came directly from our hands-on experience when we personally visited LA Koreatown and conducted a demand survey among local seniors. We realized they desperately needed help with both attendance management and basic health monitoring. The RV2000 track up to 10 people for instant check-ins by simply looking at the camera for 3 to 5 seconds. Our AI analyzes vital signs, including heart rate and blood pressure in real time. It stores data up to a year and automatically alerts managers if vital drift from the average. It boasts an ultra-fast 0.2-second detection speed and 99% face recognition accuracy and 97% of accuracy rate for wellness checks via cloud. The software is highly customizable for office and academies and can feature geofencing to restrict check-ins and specific GPS radius. Armed with this technology, we are attending Computex here in Taiwan to launch our global market entry. We aim to establish partnership with international distributors, and partnership attracts strategic investment for the medical space and collaborate with new tech partners. All right, thank you very much. And if you're interested, feel free to come to Korean Pavilion. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the presentation from Rheavision. This concludes the Korea Pavilion session. Our sincere thanks to Korea Trade Investment Promotion Agency and all participating organizations for joining us today and sharing their innovations. We encourage everyone to connect with the teams after the session to learn more about their solution and explore potential collaborations. Thank you for being part of Global Demo Day. Thank you.